Yeah, and then just pull your other leg back.
Okay, so you drag this one. How far back you go? Like back
whatever,
here?
No, whatever's comfortable.
And then
just drag the other one.
Is this how you snapped your leg?
No.
Okay.
Go further back. Yeah, and then you just drag.
Yeah, but see, you can't hop. You got to be smooth with this stuff.
Yeah.
Silky Jenkins. I see. I don't feel like that's it, Matt. One day I'm gonna come strolling in here with a busted ACL, and y'all are gonna know what happened. Cause I ain't ever learned it.
Then I'm gonna be like,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, not it.
1, 2, 3, not it. All right, backsplash. Cause then I don't even have to say anything. I could just
Yeah.
just get it.
I also know the greatest dance known to man. Or I can do right now.
The worm?
The greatest dance known to man right
The Grundy County?
I don't know. This is the Carlton.
Ooh, so he's got it.
What you ought to do.
He's got. I don't want you breaking that other ankle though.
Hey, do a let her do the
It's all from the waist up.
Here down, and then it's your upper body.
Oh, and then all I have to do is just walk slowly backwards.
Yeah.
All right, guys, it's time to accessorize the unit. We're gonna take the original OEM roof off. That's a plastic roof. We are gonna replace it with one of our heavy duty metal roofs, 14 gauge powder coated steel, automotive grade headliner. That's been a staple in the industry. We're also gonna put on a tip out windshield, another staple in the industry that we've had out for years and years. We're gonna put a new product on, which is a backsplash that we only offered on cabbed units before. We're gonna modify it to fit so that it'll work with these units that don't have the big cab system on them. And then as you can see, we have some nice wheels and tires with some spacers that are gonna fit nicely with the lift kit. Let's go ahead and get these accessories on that unit and see what it looks like. Do I need to go your way? Let's get all of our hardware out. How many do you have? Do you have 4?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna have 4 locations that we're gonna clamp to the roll bar. We have nice heavy duty clamps that, that we are going to utilize for this. We have a hole here, on this side, and then it is just symmetrical on the other side as well. And so we're gonna place a bolt through. We're gonna put our clamp on. I have way too much hardware in my hands right now, so hopefully I don't drop any of it. See if we get that going. With the nylon lock nut, you're not gonna be able to finger tighten it down. You can get it just kind of close as you're getting these installed. I apologize, but I do have to hold the head of that bolt as I'm tightening that down. So I would say anytime before you're going to tighten this down, you want to make sure that your windshield is against your roll bar. If it is settled too far down, sometimes this windshield can come and ride down and kind of out on the hood. And if you go to tighten down, you're not gonna seal here at the top. It's not gonna act quite right here at the bottom. So pretty much you wanna just be able to kind of move this up as far as you kind of can there and let it rest on the hood. And that's gonna give you a great place to go ahead and tighten down your hardware. There is a weld right here. If your clamp is sitting on top of that weld, I do know that that weld can be a little inconsistent, but if your clamp is sitting right on top of that weld, you might be a little too low. As you're putting this, you can see that sits right above that weld as you go to tighten that down. All right, so we've got the windshield secure on the unit, and now we're gonna go ahead and put on our latching system. So trying to put it directly in is not gonna work.
Yeah.
Not gonna be able to fit it in there. You gotta kind of use the space that you have over here. Might have to push the window out just a little bit to buy yourself some real estate.
Yeah.
That's pretty slick, Ugo. Let me go ahead and put in a prop. I'll just put in a prop real quick, Ugo, that way you're not having to hold it. Ugo, if we'll cut this card off, and that card is simply stating that if you install these upside down, as people have done in the past, it can lead to premature failure on the gas props, so pay close attention to the installation guide. On this particular installation, we have one of the studs that is moving out that way, and we have the upper stud that is moving this way. If you look at this, this is incorrect, and this over here is correct. You see how both studs are moving out there? You can probably also see that that is tilted. So what we'll do right now is I'm going to show you how to correct this. We're going to turn this 180 degrees and then feed it back through, and that's correct. All right, Ugo, we'll get the roof put on here. This is the 03, which the hinge rear on it, so that should be fun. We'll get to it. You got it in the middle, Ugo. Okay, let's go closest to you. Ugo, I'm gonna try to rethread these just a little bit. Ready? Good?
Okay.
Yeah. Very nice. This thing looks great. All right, guys, so we've got the windshield, the roof, the backsplash all installed. We went ahead and put on the new wheels and tires. We did a 2-inch wheel spacer in concert with those wheels and tires. We also put on our Fortress Air Bar as well. That's a piece that here in the Texas summer, you can't be without on these UTVs. So we're really excited to see the final product. Let's go out and take a look.